Another new feature in Adobe Premiere Pro Beta at the time of this recording is your ability to add content credentials when you export your sequences from Premiere Pro. To see all of the new features in the current beta that you're working with, at the top of the interface, simply head to the What's New in Beta icon. And if we head to All Changes, notice that Content Credentials is here at the top. So we're going to apply this at export. This is part of Adobe's initiative to be transparent when it comes to AI and generative AI that is used inside of creative work. Let us go to our export pane. I'll just click here on the top left-hand corner where we can see that we're exporting a media file. In this case, it's currently to an MP4, but I could choose to send this to a variety of different formats, just like YouTube. And if I look down at all of the different sections here, one is General, and under General is your ability to enable export content credentials. Now, once you check this, a little piece of information is added to the output content credentials. You can see that it's applied. And if we actually click on this, we can find out more information about what content credentials are and how they work and will be supported when you upload it to a site that supports this metadata. So the content credentials has now been applied to my sequence, which has 2 video clips, which does have generative AI content within them. And that is how you can use and test content credentials inside of Adobe Premiere Pro.